How to disable touchscreen on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you guys how can you disable touchscreen on iPhone. To do it so, you have to follow the steps. Now before you start on, you need to enable guide access on your iPhone in order to disable your touchscreen. Then you need to go ahead and launch the settings app on your iPhone, to which you want to scroll down a bit and go to accessibility. You want to go ahead and click on the option that says guide access, which is under general. As you go to this section, you want to toggle the button for guide access. Now that you've actually done it, so next what you need to do is, once you've enabled the guide access on your iOS device, you could customize passcode settings, time limit, and display auto lock as well. Now if you want to disable the touchscreen on your iPhone, you want to go ahead and open up the particular application or particular app for which you want to actually enable it. So open up the app and play a video. Now for example, I'm gonna go with the YouTube. Alright, then you want to triple click onto the side buttons or the power button and then tap on the options at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you do it, so you want to go ahead and make sure to toggle the button for touch and click on the done button. As soon as you do that, now tap on the start at the top right corner of your screen and off the screen, and then set a guide access passcode if you haven't set it earlier. So that is how you could go ahead and disable touchscreen on iPhone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.